Se Ghana for na ate the Ghanaian company called SML, Strategic Mobilization Ghana Limited. Na enra and a company no AD 5 years. 5 years. Na omudi jumedie sunkubi ewa one office ewa tema. Na ene company ni penyi pa baako abekansa ewo studio ha. Yene no babidi enkomo. Ye share the 5 years journey, how it's been. Ya SERWAA SARPONG PhD or a support services director ewo SML. Ya akwa bete saying
that's be brave hoye.
Bibi aboko.
Nyame Adom.
Wow. Wow. Congratulations and a happy anniversary to SML. Mohoya de.
Ya hoye papa.
Ya da nyame ase. Inti, tell us, the last 5 years, no, Nioma to saying, Mamo, how's the journey been in the last 5 years?
Dikaino, Mechia, a tea for
viewers
now. Only with him on Suya, the master, some more invited.
Yes.
Now, it did so, ye cheer or Mampenny and Aboa for.
Okay.
Ushe and so I didn't see woman is almost a homegrown policy.
Yes.
Say Ghana for.
Yes.
Yeah, Juma, Yen Shania for support here. Now, dear Banner say, oh, who say America Boa.
Yes.
Or Mampenny was also America first. Inti Ada, ya Debra African, ya Chum.
Yes.
Now, America, the kind of Mofuna Caninia Betwaso. Inti America first, or Mampenny say Ghana first. Wow. Inti no, ya dear Nunia woman, SML.
Okay.
Homegrown initiative, homegrown business say ye able to me ye jumana nona open you di and no Miss Ivan Sedu say wakofa abano ya dia bro adrene ntiase so se wo hwe adwuma ye no ye ntiase na nipa enya na ya fatu ye hu se ye koye nim ye be magana fo nyina ehu juma opanyin na akofa aba se Ghana ni na obia bedia dance say ampa ye wade oye we bisa me say 5 years ni no say na enyoma esitie
yes
me da se bebre wo hu say Ghana de wo ye adwuma bi edin first of all enti na ye adwuma no na se Ghana enso wo ye adwuma Africa ha ye nyoma mu edi se okwaji loan kura de da so interest abetua no okwa abuche ewofom ohun na wo sa wo ye adwuma ewa abuche bia ban to me fro say e de na ye betumi aye dia support no san but ye nyini ye mfisusu aye nyanu ho say ban be ye sa enti sa nyoma ne ye ma no eye den but ye de botaye si ye ni so ne de pese ye magana nti all the rough roads no you fan and need because usua na ama wanyini na ukowani so the 5 years has been experience ya humka ye yesua bebre na ye de bebre nso aba esan de yesua ninti enti enra ya ma ye stakeholders hu ye de abeka dada no ho downstream no ya unveil another which is the upstream insuno so fango na ye to no monitoring na ye kwakoye no ho project technology ye diaba and so wha yes I solid minerals no into gold and so ye the whole technology aba ye nkomo yin to mecheche mu more na afi Ghana fo nyina hu ade a ye bekoso wokrom ha ahomeka ye se ne be ya ye nso ye benya ye sika na ye tumi aboye oman ho bra na de maka ne se ye de nim ne say SML for say ye downstream no ye prove ye ho sika ye nya ye nkomodidi e bekom na ye upstream no ye gold na ye ma ye hu mfie du no ye mfa ye nsanto ye nsa ye mu nkosere broni sika
well we can raise enough money here where ye may
ye betumi na say ye nya SML so nkwa so be du ka ho obi anje visa ye kwai ye kopede because ye benya schools na ye hia no enti ye kwa broche kosua de ye benya no ha ye be free mofo no ye pese omu be che ade na ehu se mofo che ade betumi atwi omu ka aba ha aba betumi aye hospitals are ye kohwe ye ho ayaresa wa bonte ye betumi aye ni nyina because say GRA ye ni omu ye adwuma omu na ya ka che omu se o man dia show msa monye tax my se tax ne cost ready na be mpuntu ne ba e ma o man na o madwuma o mu ye no o mu hia se e be so o masne omu here technology we asim has say baby ayedru no e technology ne de ye adwuma so computer enim computer na anye na adwuma na che se nipa nsa kakra bi se be monitor de eba ne se sika no bene na baby
leakages beba
enti se ye so wo mu asene a te se de ani o maye no downstream na emma sika eba me de yaba obetumi de ache etiefo
okay
ye baye de no munya na ye 3 as say ye 7 enwanwa say sika no so nya na wo ho but esanse no mu de o ma hoden say monitoring bibia ye nipa ni millions of Ghana cedis na ye the Excel sheet ye ho adwuma ha adwene na enti wo say ye boa dwuma ko no na adwuma ye de ahye o mu nsa no o mutumi ye te say wasoma akora say on konkoto ade ma ma niska obesi akoto ade na ba enti ya soma di ya refo say o mayi sika nyina mo jejema ya wo say ye bo we so much with the technology and the needed tools na the enra mechanical me keynote message mun say we are ready we are ready with the expertise, we are ready with the tools, we are ready with the groundbreaking technology to help out.
Inti my share said you I mean most start here with downstream inti downstream no specifically a den pa na mo ye de boa GRA.
Okay, yeah mechanic say bruni be can say value proposition.
Okay.
The my dance on a real time insight.
Okay.
So bruni can say real time insighter. Say a jumano air course no. O monitor uhun ye course say yete hey.
Okay.
Say see yete hey.
Me mean can't here for say wo hwen ya oba your YouTube live stream na obi hu videos be and videos no e tell a story yenia ba eken enti o ka say ye be hu de ekoso in real time meaning say thanks na ye hu wo yi
ye hu we say we deployment no and your ma ye de akogu fom e wo depots e wo country ma 25
baby amu wo nioma wo ho
boga bupe akosombo takrade tema kumase ohun say petrol na yeton ma ye ne kerosene ne ehunfu ehun ne oma no wo baby but enye say ye di free abroche ba ye na ne de brain ye wo depot baby ye digu na fuel station for na kwakoto for no ne friend depot no enti eho ena fuel station for na fa e wo say GRA for hu ano na afa o mu di pie kwa o ma je tax na maye nti ho no depo no e ho ne o ma ye di akogu fom sene e be ya ye betumi nti monitoring ni nti say enioma no wo fom no o mu the satellite image send the data na maye
na was our office
na baby go office ha say no na no e che nti real time no ye monitor say see ya te he ya ka say petrol fuel station for akwa across the country.
Mutimi monitor.
Yenimbia enne GRA for pon wo munim sika wo mu benya.
Oh, okay.
Ewo petrol ya fan wo krom ham.
Inde nya afi no bi akwa no abeka che GRA for say say na me fa ye wo.
No.
Technology no. Omutimi hu in real time there.
Real time automatic ultrasonic flow meters na ebobo ho no. The air ne say ye dia bo ba bi aye ekwan fuel na e fa so akogu tanka no am ye dia kwa abonten enti de kire ne se fuel bia ni wono mo aye bebu free depot bia Ghana ye hu enti already say no fuel leaves the depot without it being accounted for na say we ni hono mo a
okay
what you say enti ya ye sa metering systems we say no send your beya fuel bia ye bubia ye behu na de ba ne say GRA for say ye kwa adwuma ye pon obi a mu ya ban adwuma for your time ye pon so mu pon a
na say check the ekoso
na say de esan say o my Ghana through GRA na enam SML so no say ye pon free depot GRA pon free depot na de meter no e kan say ye dru ne ye bunie o kyan ye ba beto so ye ba na e bia 99 ye dru ye na e ye 91.1 depot for mu betwa 0.1 na be so no ye ma ye nentisa na ye started adwuma nkwa wo se to da bia na I started within na che obekọ na bia nneoma but say dey sa nneoma ni bia
who say somebody is watching.
We are watching, we are monitoring, and only 24-hour surveillance ye monitor na eno a real time no
okay
and revenue leakage no you are broken no because you can't lift fuel GRA any moment you sika so we have automatic tank gauging system na atwam si tank no tank na 20 feet so tank na ba no tank we yesi we 20 feet tall and opebia GRA officers for frokosro omu kwa ko measure
the time na mumu maaye
no
na ombefo e the dipstick akomeasure
omu fro na the dipstick akome ye didua na kosusu
de na ekoso no
de na ekoso na wo na nka wo ye adwuma dan no a mebeka sam kan se me kunu na yes me manager because e bi o fe tank we
eso aye kokko yi
tank we o na
wo bi da so a
unse environment e nwura enti omu peso da na de ba ne se depo bi wo hono ma omu wo be 40 boss aye o man ye yipa omu wo be 70
tanks
na no pa no
okofuru e bia
o we say ye measure okofuru we say na ofuru 10 ne 20 ase wa bre enya no pa nkwanwume so se mo ye but say no automatic tank gauge na ye de asisuro no na meters na wo form no ntino
obi an hia so obefuru bi
unhia mfaso ni so because that was risking their life. Her tank is one. And actually, facilities ni bo ye no ye papa Kwame Nkrumah enti tank actually na ye say embre na afi akoi fan se bibriaba and no free hon so a
and let me inform you mutie say it's very necessary say we be share videos no so you appreciate the story no well now when what is actually happening on the ground because SML for the studio high anyone AD and come as part of their 5th anniversary and a major event tema to mark the 5th anniversary of the company and they are doing some fantastic stuff so they share videos and the kind of technology install it's amazing into over YouTube Asempa 94.7 FM ubetimi ehu video no asa you abaya church mu no then you appreciate the story no very very well.
Obi
yes
they di hobby mu so ya te say bi mu say scanning way bill scanning dia ya the GRA
betimi ya sure
way bill no me pa chon peni for say mu betumi dia to ho amagana fo ahwe a
okay
way bill no
yes
ewo downstream adwumanum no eno ne pink sheet say electioner because obi fafu no petrol station for ofa OMC for ofa fuel no
yes
na so se wontwia de ekwan a GRA betumi agi esika amayen ene say ekokota court be can say evidence because ofa no eno ne yetema no na so keep bi baby ana we bill ne gu bottom
it way bills the gu bottom go we when they na GRA used to do stuff
enfie bebre way bills ne say netie and we say no afie twa mu a ye kan say yemfa pani o mampani a no ho kan say yemfa yedwumadi nto ho no mo na o mu nhwehwe asem num no eno ye share adwuma asem no say o mu ni system bia wo ho enti no de ye buy ya be ni de ni egu computer so
okay
ye adwuma ye fo e wo depo ho bi enti se wo fa petrol no na GRA 40 way bill na e de mawa e hwa ye adwuma ye fo no so o mascan computer wo ho a e de information no send aba na on say way bill na ye paper ye image
yes
enti ye ya ko further with innovation say the OCR innovation
okay
so photo obviously there you move and some day adwuma except to say you use innovation so we use optical recognition na ye the information from because sika auto any tanker no dodo ne petrol awafa dodo ne ni ye sa information no efrem na just say way bill no ehun asem nyina egu computer so enti the GRA for be yan so mbebo computer pe sa nyoma we egu from hono ni nyina gu because so obi ko twene de efri mu a untumi nyi scanner da enuntina me can say last time I make as I say etiefo ko Google Oboshe say OMC indebtedness to GRA 200 million. They saw him cry 20 million because GRA for the court no court to say what the evidence they have evidence. Any now you print your coin so a thermal print on the call shopping. Sad you print a man, and when you ran up paper, and you was a na and that one say, yeah, Bosu means ye say for evidence, Nebra, who cry, GRA for one, a paper. And your mother here, Obi, my main cousin will say in chair a tear for no be anti say. San your mother will say your data. Sa chat GTP abba, AI abba, yen na home for son, or might be. San your mother when you are no macabo, and no more training, no more study, and I no AI. Na ya traditional AI na say I generative AI and no to me kasa o kasa ye we ma me no wa ya ma ada na ye de digu fom na me nim say nye GRA nko a aban adwuma ye fo bebre because me ye PhD na me ne aban empanimfo akasa wo ha say adwuma ye fo no because me ye special planning enti wo ko ho no mo na wo na wo te say ne o mo si ye adwuma o mo nyina especially so ko to say loose pamoni ye ya Obia ko London School of College London wa ko o my say o my enti adwene na mofo wa e fi so o mu nanim nyansa obi ye obi wa ha na tools ne enwoma de be ye adwuma no and no technology na no naka na GRA40 aye ni say SML wa ha yes so much ne the person make can say permit te bi say on say asem te bi discuss na GRA4 o mu ntumi nye Omuntumi GRA enye innovative institution.
Yes.
Enye Google, enye a deploy apps. The idea more mun say omunye tax no. Enti dwumadia the technology omu be hia dia ye no. Omu outsource
ma third party.
Omu sa no omu aye.
They are fortunate ni enya Ghanaian company then praise the Lord.
Enti say obi ka say GRA for omuntumi nye. Onti asem na wo kana say. Enti ye dwumadie na ye na bi nso nie na we ne da nchen a so deployments na ekoso yi o say satellite nho a tree information ni nyina ba screens na hu ye ne de ba a free pan adwuma no so kura be because we need to reconcile data na ya fa no ye fa purchase order MPA omukoto a say on say no the MPA for ne hweso ye fa no na depo for no ansa na ye beba no depo for o baby e store yin fuel no omu na wo meter
okay
and omu meter na ye disusu because MPA for ni bi GRA for ni bi nti omu meter na ye disusu enti ye fa omu so de no na we bill na ye te e ma tanka ko enso ya fa no na ye nso aye meter na ya fa friend for way reconciliation e wo se ni nyina kase ani se numbers na nkan se nya bibia bibia akoso ye be hwehwe masi ase enti ye reconciliation ye yes our reconciliation ni bia ni yasa ye OMC for na so reconciliation OMC no ye wo bebre na obia say o ebia ye mfa ne say obi fuel station
yes
o fuel station wo obi wotema wo obi oboga wo obi wo o fa fuel na on free boga me fa fuel wotema o ba fa no tema boga depo enti enei ebia obi fuel station wafa bi wo Kumasi because Kumasi also supply wafa bi wotema atoabo takrade e wo se GRA fo etumi hu dodo na wafa ni nyina no mutumi hu se o bond limit omu de omu de mom sika omu de tu omu ti so se untumi mfantra sa se ofa trasa na cheso omu untumi ntwa ohunti omu insurance I insure omu sa na ansa no omu betumi a stop se wafa bro sika ntia ma obiem no agise omu hu de wafa enu na ma real time insight ne hu hia na se omu enhu a omu dako OMC ba ko betumi afa ne bond limit na ansa na SML beba no because omu ni real time insight no omu tumi hu OMC for no omu ye etumi di pop so me boso me mienu that time no or the quote that wakoton krewie na wo san hu no so na so be so obetwa wa go company fuel station na gudi na be no sikana shim and those avenue they were the leakage avenues na air coso
and only the SML about block
ya be blocking in because we drilled down to OMC's activities. Enti ne say yete he ya ebetumi aka say obi OMC wafa bi wo boga wafa bi okumasi wafa bi wafa dodoro sei tank fire ne number ni ne tank number ni bibia enti sei ena ode abanka e wo so otwia aban ni sika na afa ye wie nso enwie ye se won so mu fa kwa omu de tax ne ba ye de na ye post tax exercise na ye enti so fa enye ho ne agye ne sika te se de ode ne oma emo ne ayi ba utwia sika nsa no afa akoton no da bi omani hia fango no enti ya omu de ko wie no oton wie ansa na odiska no aba enti se ode sika okwa e wo se ye wo 15 days in a month no 15 days you can 15 days e wo se odiska ne ba na e wo se yetumi ko se oka se scan of your tax no de ba na e no an wo aka se wo betwia ana se we ontwe ni we ya se na aka e wo se edi achi enti ye share tax reconciliation so say BOEs na o ma open no e correct tax na ye kan so ntwe no an otwa na afe no se bibia ye correct ye di achi ko Ghana.gov ni akohwem se sika na gu Ghana.gov no ye pia so ko Bank of Ghana e wo say ye pia so ko Bank of Ghana na nka Ghana.gov enti ye share end to end e free sa depo no deployment ye ko depo ye depo one ba ye bebu agu tanka no e ko si se sika no be ko Bank of Ghana
mo policy process no through
and one ye na ho mfaso ni se enra ye di nyina data na aba beto abonten ama book na ye di aba abonten obi a be hu de eba ne se ye ba ye no se ya fa 6.3 billion liters volume no ena MPA for also money trading to omo record GRA tax man no ono so enya averagely 3.1 billion liters not just say gap where what MPA ne be 3.2 over 3.2 billion ayira it's not accounted for Ghana sika ahweye na sa 3.2 billion no obi unim Ghana sika do ya ka ho asem all the time say tax rate na yakwa the tax wo matum 1.7 ye ne say the year 1.44 all the time say 1.44 na ebesi 4.6 over 4.6 billion Ghana cedis so enye old
new Ghana cedis
yes 4.6 plus Ghana cedis sika eira under 60 months a 50 January 2019 ABC April 2020 and sana May 2020 ye she eduma di ase no ye as analysis na eho saa sika no na eira na ye baaye no because of nyoma makeke ni we say no so almost yes I check 16 months pepe a 50 May 2020 no eba be see August 2021 no the ebanye MPA at the end ready 7.4 million letters yes billion yina GRA funds nya 7.1 billion
wow
ni aka gap na aka na be 260 million letters no you exemption we won say aban ye aban adwuma ebi ho so mo petrol koye say adwuma no ye kwan ye si hospital eno na yi enti santi ye say gap na dem no ya kan twa
technology ne ba ye no se sia
wa kan twa na obi fu abi e be fa pipe no mu bia no ye hu enti he na be fa untumi fa ba bia na evidence ne say ohun say na ekwan da ho na fuel no ye tumi fa ne sa no ufafu na inflammable untumi mfa ngu tanka num se so onya ba bi dampegu o kai se brebi atwam before 2020 ye be fuel stations bebre ompuma chikura na ye be fuel station fa wani to from Ghana from into from say da so be fuel station na ejai because adwuma na nya de biem unya fuel ni free biem akwa bia ni ho enti no o ko be fuel station dia yedai and no and abre nyoma sa nyina ase so environmentally SML abuapa and as council so aye rake in say o hwe ayi a me hwe ayi kakra na maka achew o sika ye de aba
yes
that's what's on the screen.
Data now.
With data na make no any January yes
volume gap.
GRA for the na red na da form. And after SML no omu nyina yepe kokon blue no ni nyina yepe the MPA enya enwa bi na GRA enya enti gap no na me 260 million letters no ye exemptions frefa ne omu a ne oma omu hia which is what they compare before 3.2 or so billion letters now where you imagine now a significant reduction.
Huge, very, very huge.
Now the air can say the data is there. Figures don't lie. We have the proving.
The proof is there.
Evidence is there. MPA4 website on Mokwa. So oh share in Sikano Nisikano ho. Mpacho Sikano so musho ye Sikana. Now okay. Sikano and soba say data ye fa MPA4 the MPA4 the omu data website wa data part no download no BDC report performance report 2019
revenue nini
ye for revenue nini yes ye reduce na 4.6 billion Ghana cedis
about 375 million. Wow.
And no na enso wa not monthly benchmark no the abusumi bia GRA fonya na edabe 208 million yatum mpacho yenko next slide yatum ya page because letters no 208 million letters na yeah they are because say any MPA4 because MPA4 average 450
yes
and yeah they are above 450 which is more than what was there. Now, who sikano? So, what translate to the time tax rate 1.44 now. Before, Nigeria renyabe 299.
8 million.
Yes, latest in your volumes. Full and I have volumes. Omunyabe 299 million. Yes. Yeah, buy no because ya two volumes to 450 million letters ninti. Omunya 648
million. A month.
A bros an approximate na say one afaso ye eno nie ntiboso me biano ya tum double.
Where verifiable data Bank of Ghana data no. Bank
of Ghana data the kaka MPA oko omu website for 2019
data no
performance BDC performance o say o hwa ubehu o hono Promex na yentwi ahota so yi Promex free Excel sheet ma the calculation is Excel na yema is there and I buy so on the 2020 ne icom se buy it GRA wo year icom se wo and a Bank of Ghana so e de wo hono mo and sana icom so beba no because say Jessica na tax no ye Jessica no ye the Bank of Ghana say they make and say ye de kono enti se volumes ne kra na ye hu because the GR for omu ni centralized system wa omu de equipu sa no man enti ye ko Bank of Ghana
yes
and ye kokofa sa Jessica no na ya convert because ye 3 obi automass ye 3 components variables ni ye share volume ye share tax and ye share revenue and you see any volume tax ne revenue no ebe my volume and the Bank of Ghana data no that is how we came by it it is certified by the finance department of GRA because we mun say hono mo record so and the data na ye dey aba bonten no enye bosrem ka ye the sources nyina ka ho obi enye chi ne kope SML jumadi a ye di ama man no ye nipa bi obi hwesika ye ka ho asemo so wo hwe de wo ho ya ye ba 2024 May 2020 to December 2024 afi bia de ka ho sika ye nya no ene ye boa no ye friend cumulative revenue gains ayenya no volumes no ye petrol ayenya ka ho 14 billion ni sika no so with the times tax na over 20 billion Ghana cedis
e fan say na sika ekonipa bi no mbotomu a
say e kwa aban ho ye nyina ye de be euro aban de be euro sama ye nyina
ankofo no will not be happy
and no ne baby a day call last year no. So when I wunya over 200 million a month Ghana city so. And no be the SML and then the technology I basi ho say or boaji ayo for na o mo yes adwuma obi obeya de say ne akoso no but ya ba mu ye because ya penye oda no where even said do say the team po and na dream na say he will leave a legacy for this nation and that mean anything I'm so penye na adai because sika akogu form no ohun sentina me ma ye deployment e ba ye no deployment aya ye no but it is the last year some we buy obi say SML for wo ma ye kwa $20,000 be to me aye ohun say ohun na ni aye nim say sa be busa say opanyi sika wo dey go for millions of dollars na ye we say adai asemo okache m say madam say nyame hia woduru ba bia enya wo ne wabusua nko a e wo se wo ye bibi ma oman eno ne damakoma so ena wodu de obia be ye bia no de nyame ne bedi ya asema maye na I will continue to do it ena wadi ne boshe so obi. So we transition to the upstream.
From downstream, you know. That's over the past 5 years, you know. Downstream,
yes.
And because Ghana sign war minerals, oil near the home, so I see a check how and you see
exactly.
And the next phase need to go upstream.
Upstream and then downstream, solid minerals, gold, you know, for now.
You know. Na ya check here no so the free assassin moba
sa na eno no GRA for share the ya ye ni sika wo mu nya
yes
omu say SML for yesrem montra de mu mai replicate this also for us our upstream because obi ensuo ne so ho oil na ye tu no me no ye ntumi nante ensuo en konsuo ye nye yesu
yes
ono kwa de tumi nante ensuo so enti no e wo say o man mu no through GRA yenya insight entina make us am say the ya pa real time insight no na Nigeria for bank it is Nigeria Bank of Nigeria na panyi bi do ma no Governor Sanusi na asem a wokan say asem we maka real time insight me kan ya na mu yi me free adwuma yi so na mekoso aka because real time insight a revenue
yes
e sika so wo ye adwuma na wonim ne ekoso ati say wo hye suma se
it's true
so yeah the real time no echo upstream na upstream no na AE no
and also na AE no ntia no na AE no obenya similar installations our FPSOs ne so yeah tailored to suit the FPSO need say omu ye separation na meter no famu abegu storage ni ma say ho de enye say ye tu ya na ye de ko ye store and no so we ni installations amaye wo office no no so mo benya real time we e wa ha
real time sa senka eyi na ye nya start ye ti say empanifo egu so de nyoma egugu akwan mu se ne be ya
ba mo ye set up na de
ye say ye standard scope of our contract ntino ya sign contract wo ho ya sign ho ya enti ya de a ya ye enra no together with our 5 years anniversary we unveil this as well for our stakeholders me pa cha oposo mame good and honomo no say oposo mame ti say we say no na a separate crude oil meter no a separate you know na afi na separate a enche ho na wo pink you know ho no tank na ye di air store ansa na so omunya de omu pa ya fafi o mamu ha kono good enti en no honomo no say meters wo omude air separate from meter no by meters wo ha sa a storage so ye monitor real time
na ye oil ayeku
ye to say na akogum say na ya store o mamu nyina ye nitwia ye nim ne ekoso obi enka bibi na obi aka sente sa na set sa na say so the real time insight na ye de
downstream ye benya be
ye de ko upstream senior be ya o me japade a ye tu no emrofo de etu amaye ye be hu enti se opose we say na senkia start here
yes enya possible to pause
it okay Uba who say numbers need changes na che say ene de ye twigum enra de ninyina na astore ho na ye a wo hwe ba ko bi nso wo ho no ma we say ne ye crude oil off take meter no enti say omo ba be fa omo be fa
ha kwa
eno so ye nim ye di free krum ha ko
de be hu de ye tu afri nsuo na se
de ye store
ye store ene ye be hu de ye de ko
o hwe unya ayi ne hwe ayi na wo ho na square ayi e wo ho ye yellow na ye wo total barrels of the crude oil the ones lifted, the ones stored. You were monthly, you were daily. And teacher said, insight now we can be able to hear me panel. We will be able to make informed decisions about our natural resources. And penny phone okay. Young wire one say dear can ye and I said dear ye to dear can't say who ye and tis say dear ye sika in your saying that here the data is important.
It is a say deploy we you know. Say what is currently happening they say GRA and call for the FPS on
yes ye GRA ni omukrade sa omukrade one time no muko
the companies na catch them
yes
say
yes
and was some jitum
yes because want to mean antin conscious the helicopter na konti once one na mwakwa akohwe na ekoso but see the way kwa omu akra so be boa wo because you need a check meter to set downstream no therefore ebi mu honum automatic tank gauge ni eboa wo mu ankasa panyi ba ko oso ye panyinsa no ache oso wa ma me ho atomio because me tu kwan a menim se me ba no akonta me panu fo de bua ma me no ese me fo de nso ho me de check me kesi ani pepe me ho atome eti eboa to set downstream se o mu fill tank o se tank ne so na o mu nim seni ba bia edura fu an espele fa ho ebe go for more environmental pollution.
It's true.
And automatic tank gauge it measures the linear measurement of the quantity of petroleum products. A good tank
and the
volume a warm and then the aka womu near ye bua free so near was a drew a yen anti depo for a bomb until him say upstream for so a bebo papa in as much a bebo man ye seek a semne a yino.
I saw almost munim some more hwehwe ma fefe ni ma musa no omonem be ku ana omonem nko
say obi a oye adwuma okrom ha bia je here de odenka oye taxman odenka obeje enti no uni say bia okase me madwuma o man ne de asoma me se menye ne se menye tax we na beboa me se e de na beka enti menyi ni say yani omu nyina ye yenim say last year nsem na buy bi hu say stakeholder for kra so omu nim enye no kre ene me de letter bi buy na memma wakan ama enti ya ama me na me hu time mamu wakan ehia me papa me pese wo kan ema Ghana 14 wo masum na asem bi a omu de ato yeti so no eno enna form kaka na anniversary mood nti enne de enye enije enko a sa
it way the technology more install for upstream FPSO and say FPSOs no be mienu ana
say miensa ba for ba ko wo ho enyanye
it three ni nyina no me benya installation no me ensa ni nyina
eno ho architecture design na ya
na maye ho it is a free upstream na oka solid minerals
solid gold
yes a honso no
yes e ho asemunie
okay
say gold no ye tu a ye de kwa amana ne koton ye ton wi a e na aban saka
sure
na se ko na se ye nto ya sa ban san kan siga na ye de na ban hu se yato ana ye nto de okoton na de na se yato ana ye nto enti 20 years ni nto ya se ye nya yesika enti gold ayira gold ye you know ye develop technologies mi pa cho sa mo de ko gold ne mami anka bani beje
ere yanko the next video ni yen share
gold no ye develop technology ne say ye will analyzers enti extraction point where ye mining area honum na no yes ye we enti yenim ne dodo special ni na ye specialist na ye we a analyzer ne nso gold ne ba analyzer ne nso atie ye de be analyze emaye go analyzer no na oye no na ye wi gold we ye real gold but untumi impose chemical composition no so wo hwe o right side ubehu say ye de analyzer ni sisu a gold no chemical composition senior the chemical city gold maybe a gold 91%, gold 80%, silver wo mu 2% ni nyina na ye wie nso a company in details bibia ka ho enye no nko a ese twa emfonyi product no emfonyi ya o mamu nyina ye ni twa ye behu o click button o computer so te say de ye yi kiremu ya scale ni o we no na wa we gold no the tools no ye 2 kg analyzer ni o the sisua
na my properties ni nyina
ete kra me de abohu ye de target anti properties in 21.7 carat no gold 91% na cheche na wi awze na gold bi da ho ye photo na
okay
anti analyzer no o ye ne sa no radiation no checking the composition na we nso so nim the location
in when mo de be wo mining site
extraction point na owie nso so a wasan che location na odi akire map actually and the satellite no edi akire baby a gold no be ntumi mfa nko no abeka che say yento when ato eko obi refinery dia yeju ekoto obi kom enye possible the GRA for here na we say no mo na be use analyzer ni e o mo na de kwa ya ma wo mo
okay
o mo na be use na o mo officers GRA for officers na be use we nyina enti gold adane bo gold a certain of the past etwam as far as tax revenue collection is concerned no etwamunti ye nisuade hu say now we have gold board ye ni omu ekabo mu and nam GRA so of course omu na ye omu high ye adwuma nti bibia ye bia ni omu say ne minerals commission ye yifo omu nyina ye yifo vi omu ensa na ye develop we say no na omu ani nso je ho say babua wo omu because obi apo man ni na technology ni de be ye ne ni ho na say wo kan say wo be ya ma ye dia na anike wo ye dwumadie mu ne say Abaisika 1 city Debbie. That is one of our value propositions. Abaisika bakukrenim, not the, 1 city.
The 100% indigenous Ghanaian company, in this case SML, and Afa Hoka.
From the one who weigh gold, gold in the setup on ye. And you will be back catch a Ghana for say. O SML community officer say wa boni sire mu na wo kan asem just because you say ne ye na ni nye ho abon bibi sika bi anka illegally obenya na egu enti no opese o ka bibi na ye twa contract na say pamo SML na che so you go back to business as usual say ye suspend ye doing a kakra bi no we be no ye de gogu form no enti nipa a wo mu say ye pamo SML free ho no the enti am this photo ni buy no omuti mu ponya ne say yenko back to that system yes bagana for nso nim adepa omunim nieye GRA nim nieye and that's why they are going forward with this initiative na de ya nyina no yenje aban sika 1 city kwa
in installing technology in bibia
from needs assessment to piloting, to operation, deployment and operation, continuous maintenance. All of these things, yenje aban 1 city. Ye, the aban yen say, Uchiayeka. Because
Uchiamoka pre-agreed amount, and I say based on a Juma Mobile.
Mamen and Kakranfa downstream, because you know downstream no. Yeah, my 0.05. Okay. Yeah, list they have a payment structure that they use. The variable payment structure. And you know, yeah 0.05. Say me the back kasa on my what if for better say to say what way on yes about how on here will be boa one carpe. Now me buy and me say, oh, Obi, met to me a boa. O hawa we no na o say me nim so obetumi ayo me say okay me gye dia me kanidi enti meye o say me nyin nti abasika na me da no enti me ntumi fa ma
wa pe o sika na fa ye
o pe o sika na de ye na me hwe na me nim say ye papa me so mani beje pa enti san hye ne ko o say fine ene wo me say ye me madwuma ye mayi no me fa 95% mama 5%. And no, say oh share ne percentage na 0.05 pesos na sa na gina homa and na ye koye and no so mu GRA innovation e bi mada enti nim senia a city ani yi ye share adwuma se e di 8 months ansa na mu twa ka because person verify auditor general you know about test your systems no standard board. Everybody, we've gone through rigorous. Inti se meti se obi ka se kwa be so gra no mfa be no SML no mu enti ase na maye na ya fatu ye ho se be hwe na enti ase aba na eno kra da nchen a eno na broni friend risk reward the macheche mo ye risk reward
they're more like a performance contract we ye adwuma na
na risk no say ye ba ye be ye downstream ye kwa share sa abo no na sika ye de ko ayi ko ye adwuma no software development no board thing what we try $20 million yakoye na anye ya answer wo problem yaka enkeno anu no enti ye find risk reward structure model na ye go to unim say obi enyoma ye de be adwuma sa nyoma TV ni yi ya ye de abeya ohun akese ene nyoma bia ye nye tax exempt o ye adwuma ma GRA
yes. And even though Modi Bay Juma GRA, no still a mutia
home. Tax a big 20 million, 30 million. Now, a dear would they bay Juma which you home tax 30 million. 77 and a boy say. And to be say, as I'm a word, we mujistica who on tears ye will nim. Today, I can't say a pamcho. Wow, pesa woo. Ye be up not all. Ghana for Biamra meshe. Ye bebo ye homo di bia say, ye did beba. TV neso. Yes. And now will be your documentary. You were there. You under that occasion. Yeah, that was super for coming because open no home. Now what do we need baby home? Me catch now you the first batch kwakoshe upstream. Me catch you say who drew one hour was yacho. The course over no na Ghana nipa betim say me ye. Mo de mo woman concern day. Me ye na am pejame manim. Uni mobi. Sa leakages because in Ghana and Kwayari, the whole of Africa.
Yeah. It's a problem.
Also Ghana ye the gateway of Africa. And ti amani free pa and decide omu hu ye na omu disu sen krane. Obia per se ye ba.
Also per technology no.
They want it. They need it because and no my keynote message me can omu say African Development Bank Group. Omu assessment omu say over $90 billion it goes through leakages, illicit flows, financial flows. And all across Africa, governments are looking for trusted partners to say SML no money ye juma, especially when ye model no business model you say ye risk reward no crowd they no work because
they don't have to make initial capital investment.
Yes, yeah. Petroleum industry gentia akata because you pick to me the money involved Ghana ni etumi afa downstream ni upstream esa de go that come on nyamia Ghana and they are coming. They want us to be there. Wow. So the vision everyone can say and the vision is pan-African. Now ye boda ma ebo free sure entino ye start here free ha na ye de ato aso akonti ye guso ye ne omu twi yetintan ye ni omu guso ye nhihye ya enche no ye best step out in the last
5 years has been
remarkable. It's been a remarkable journey.
A good story to tell.
Yes.
A really good story.
And we are proud. And now the nimne say at the papa biano. What was penifo say the osun takache. Nisa the osun takache. And ye maya wo mu ya na ya no politics kakra. And at the pebianzo so no obebre ansa na yesu ko obeje wiase ye bo no ye obebre but no kreno ene ne papa ye no ebe kasa for itself ebi mbuza ze ntie se me mo nkasa ese wo mo be hu ade wo se na mo nkasa last year no election year yem pento kwasem because already the country is tensed enti no de obeka bia de kan kakra ne kan ya no to mo na yenim ye yenim ye wo se unnim value na unnim ye ye bibi debio ye enye say no we are not saying this with pride say ye mpese ye be ye PR na be kasa magana fo ehu eyi but de me pese me kasi so ne say yenim ye ye mu Ghana mfaso da se ne bi mu pese o mu che no that is no your penny no die anymore. Ghana for them better as we can say the number one timber factory plantation. Again, oil mining logistics. FM. And no more be brain away. Or shall say export to Krumha over 30 years ago. Or your penny crazy pa. Na ya nipa bebre hu no mu nim ne to mu kan se bia politics ni bi ene ya open ni omadi open bibia boko enti eye Ghana ni ene ye nya politics ni bia dia eye Ghana ni dia wo even said you say ene akofa initiative we yaba ni team pon say o je bibia ma o man yi na se ne Nigeria for aye Dangote billionaire Alinko ama ne Nigeria din say ye bod Dangote em say Nigeria no kra kwose Dangote no say bi no person ye Ghana ni team upon say mehwe Ghana ye bia ye be SML group near the Ghana SML Ghana what ye din no strategic mobilization Ghana limited sir can ke betumi ayi Ghana near the limited national but ya nya sir the Ghana should be there it's number 1 the dikan kra na nke ya nke no ne de be dikan
very well let us now let me look at them and then we'll
yes me pacho ebi mo say adwuma na ye no duplication effort ena ye MPF ye nti Nigeria we ha wo mu akofa eyi enti no na me pese me magana for te say MPF mpanifo omu tie say GRA say ye kofa we yaba no omu bo say
MPF
mpanifo because MPF ni meter only automatic tank engine system enti no we ye opani alasa
2020
yes
that na Alhassan Tampol in a CEO NPA
yes
anyway reinstallation of electronic metering system by Strategic Mobilization Ghana Limited and now actually the commissioner of GRA
yes Omutron said the omu person omu ye
and all responded sure also we refer to letters on the above subject sent to the various depot operators in the country by the GRA of which the CEO of NPA was copied. The MPA over the past years has instituted some technological interventions in the petroleum downstream industry aimed at improving controls and curbing illicit activities in the industry. The authority plans to introduce further measures to monitor inflows and outflows of petroleum products from depots in the country. It has therefore taken note with keen interest the initiative by the GRA to install electronic metering systems at the depots. The authority, however, would like to be apprised of the functionalities of the electronic metering system. We therefore hereby request for closer collaboration between the two authorities, that is NP and GRA, so as to avoid duplication of efforts in an attempt to sanitize the petroleum downstream industry. The authority will very much appreciate it if the GRA and the service provider for the electronic metering system could make a presentation on the system to the NPA as soon as possible to enable the NPA make input if necessary. In way of first response. Alhassan Tampol.
So GRA we are doing a stop.
Stop. Sure.
Or see they have keen interest and they want to do collaboration. Send your beya the GRA bedika no mun so enye bi. Okay, and no your phantom chain. Me pacho we saying so if you o dey at table no e o more you can skip it. Now we quite your ho
that's fine. Enti we an operational team was formed.
Yeah, the automatic tank engine ni be pisi. Adwuma na ye no. Se wura mu na hu say we hu be hia, we hu be hia. Enti ye Dimitri ne ba ye ne hu say automatic tank engine ni ho omu fu no mu ko no mu yenye bibi ma wo mu se de be ya eno so se tank ni si wa e be hu ne wom enti eno so ne de ba ye tro ye no enti
okay when you to NPA letterhead suni and this is also a letter signed by Mustafa Hamid. Okay, enti we 2023. We refer to the meeting with stakeholders held on 18th and 19th September to discuss issues relating to the GRA's project for the installation of the tank gauging systems at petroleum storage depots across the country. The project is being executed by the technical partners of GRA, which is SML. After extensive deliberations, it was agreed at the meeting that the project will require the formation of a multi-stakeholder operational team, which will engage each depot individually to ascertain and resolve any peculiar challenges that might inhibit smooth implementation of the project and avert any possible adverse impact on the depot's operations. In light of the above, the authority wishes to inform all stakeholders that members of the operational team for the above mentioned purposes are and also following the formation of the operational team, the timelines for the various depot engagement have been scheduled as follows. In the depots ni nyina so di wa any day to moko shia ye nyina so ewa memo board yes, we advise that all depot operators prepare to collaborate with the operations team and SML/GRA to ensure a successful implementation of the project.
Why na say?
Where Mustafa Abdul Hamid,
okay,
PhD, on a CEO, NPA.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they said they were always in the known. They are not they were in the known. They are in the known, and they approve, and they are happy. They take keen interest. So because I did away, me take keen interest. Many diachi, and it's a basse was say collaboration. Me I will spearhead it to Crampo. Obi Amra. All the operators should ensure say umbe de also muye. And it's a obit video be man say baby no can say SML for kura duplication of effort. Assembly MPA is not aware of media.
Assembly be anu we twana de ya dance. Assembly when mabe can say cartels omu sika aya so muji hwehwema de ekoso Ghana for sika and I say ye dim fidi abesisi ho no omoni abre papa na omubuafu papa enti no de beka bomwaye bia sa adwuma koye fen SML no ye de beba from die omuti me poni so omubeye, and that was why they picked that fight with us afie twem no na yenso so you say your commitment no it goes beyond contractual agreement. And yes, I sign contract. Abni aban sign contract nko a. Enka 8 months wo be adwuma ne ntwi aka senga abejai. No. A commitment and dedication. Say ye be hwe say revenue generation will grow. Na say eye kese a na ye nya sika ma oman ya. Me na na o work class here or ko hospital. E be kwa ban betumi get to the place where we will pay benefits to vulnerable and old people. Ye betumi ahwe nkran school fees siasie amebi kraka. Oh, ye dey start university near the bedroom nursery crèche. Say nye bone ebi mo aye ye betumi aye. Enti ye dedication no e ho ne ye ni hwe. Enti nye ka che Ghana for nso mo makomanto mo yem. No kra ni be dia dance na e dia dance and going forward we will engage them strategically. Ye be ba bonten em say de ma omunya ye no say na Ghana for nim ye ne ye
na mon kasa na
because o audit ade ye friend auditor a specialist audit. O audit will be a untumi meka na asemo wa bonten GRA for ne report ma wo mu ti o mu na wo so mu beka aha ena ebinom say na tantokwa we ne bapa last year ne ntokwa ne ba no enye downstream no upstream ne gold no
when omuhu say you are about
to baba yes ade no omu say no
and ntokwa ne
enti no na and my year I can somewhere until omu say October ya sign contract no and say montwe ye ba until under 2 months no mu video mu my year
the contract for upstream ne gold no was based on the successes I'm talking.
It's a proven track record of the downstream that we real-time insight, we can deploy it. We can and so. And the kind last year be no the Ghana for us be brave. Na dampening for us media for so our media partners ye dam was say monso my kwan ne betumi aka asem no ache Ghana for na Ghana for ehun no kuro wo mu se ne be ya wo be hu se SML djuma no ya amase ye be ye bone ye Ghana ni de nti wo se Ghana ye support na yem de pa se enra opanyi ba kon ba ye program kan se let's depoliticize nyoma ye no say ye politics no eno attorney general so call program bi wo be bon so ko the same thing as o mu it is becoming known and say a dear but that was bibia near no SML near politics ye apolitical dear by purely business and na adepa bia we bia say na medical kan won fa ho to da enti ye guso ye free hard ye can say ye sade ye betumi aye bia ma water electricity for aviation who ji sika na wo problem revenue mobilization revenue assurance free ana bra ni entina table so
enkasa
ta
no Charlie
thank you
happy anniversary once
thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Fantastic. You could see saying so higher sempa 94.7 FM. It's been a fantastic conversation so far. Ain't yebeda SML in penny for us ya SERWAA SARPONG. If I was a doctor, ya SERWAA SARPONG, support services director SML, and Motene Kano. Yanti Yadase,
thank you.
Okay, thank you. Wish you all the best.